Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to basically transfer myself into an ABG. If you guys don't know what that is, you can like Google it. It'll probably give you a better explanation, but to my understanding it stands for Asian baby girl. So let's just get right into the video because it's gonna be a long one. Please make sure to give this video a thumbs up and comment if you think I can pass as an ABG. So let's just get into the video. So before anything, I'm gonna put on my contacts because I don't wanna like put on my nails and then do contacts. So I forgot where I got these from, but I'm gonna link it down below. It's literally these colored contacts. They're in the color sterling gray. I actually used to have like colored contacts. It was a phase, but they dried out. So let me try to open this up. To my understanding, what I know is that they actually, because I usually I will go for a bluer eye tone, but because the gray kind of gives off like a blue shade, it's better to get a gray one because then it looks more natural, and sterling gray is like the one that I always go with. So yeah, let me just pop this baby open. I don't know if you can see it. Okay, see? Looks pretty cool. It's not prescripted. Guys, please make sure to wash your hands before you do this. But got it on. Okay, I'm scared. Okay, so I have my mirror here. I'm just gonna, oh fuck, oh my gosh. Let me just put this on off camera because, okay, 10 hours later I finally got them on. They were very hard to put on, but I don't know if you can tell, it gives off like a bluish greenish color. But now we're gonna start on our makeup. So my inspiration, I actually got this photo because I was watching Nikita Dragun's story and then I saw this eye look that I really liked. So we're gonna try to recreate that look. It's gonna be this look. Beautiful, stunning. So I haven't put on makeup for quite some time because of the whole virus. I'm not even going out, so I haven't been putting on makeup. So I've been pretty much waiting for my skin to clear up, and it's not really doing a great job because I've been eating a lot of junk food. So I'm gonna start off with the Glossier primer. Now I'm gonna use the Laura Mercier foundation. I'm pretty sure this is a full coverage foundation. I'm not sure if I got lighter or anything, but we'll see if this color matches me. Yeah, it's good. So for under eyes, I'm going to use the Tarte concealer. Just a little bit. It's going to blend out. And then the NARS concealer to conceal any spots I don't like. Okay, so I'm pretty much done with my face. It looks very like light on the camera, but I promise you that this is my shade. Maybe I'll add a little more contour because I look a little pale right now. Didn't do a difference. See, like, it's literally the camera, it's not me. So right now I'm gonna do my eyebrows. I'm gonna just brush it out. Okay, so I'm using the NYX micro brow pencil in the shade Espresso. Okay, so I'm just gonna do light strokes. Let's not go too crazy. I used to use like this black because that's literally what my the color of my hairs are, but my aunt yelled at me and told me to use a lighter shade, so okay, honestly it looks the freaking same, but let me just go this out, go this one out. Alright, moving on to eyes. I'm so excited. Let me pull up the picture. So it kind of does, like in her picture, it does tell me like what she used, but I have none of that. So I'm gonna use this Tartelette palette. Okay, so we are gonna go in with this light brown shade all over the lid. And then she kind of like drags it all the way out here and also like all the way in here too. Once that's on your lid, you're gonna go a little darker, this upper shade, and then you're just gonna go into your crease with that. And now I'm gonna do bottom liner, but she has a brown bottom liner. I don't think I have that, but let me double check. So I don't have a brown bottom liner, but we're gonna improvise and go with the brown eyeshadow that I have. So I'm gonna try to take the smallest brush. Let me find the smallest brush. So with this tiny brush, so I think I found the shade, and I'm gonna use the Naked Smoky palette, and it's gonna be this very dark brown shade. It's called Whiskey. So I'm just gonna go really heavy on that color. Line it. Okay, so with that color, with the brush that I used previously, with the brown, for the brown, you're gonna go in with like the lightest brown shade, and then you're just gonna blend it out. Squeeze your brush and blend it out. Okay, so my favorite part, the eyeliner. So we're gonna go with the long wing and a little tip at the end. So I managed to get one eye to look like hers because my eye is a double eyelid eye, so I had to do a thicker eyeliner, and the little corner thing was kind of hard because my eye is not shaped like that. So on to the next eye. Okay, so I think I'm finished with the eye look. Oh shit, you know what I forgot mascara, duh. So I'm gonna clip my eyelashes. I've been using this Grande Mascara. It's from the company Grande Lash. They make they make lash serums, lash enhancing serums. So I've been just using this just because they sent me it. It's like whatever. Let me do the bottom lashes. I kind of don't like these lashes. Oh no. Okay, so I'm gonna change the lashes. No, we're gonna go with Sydney. Oh my gosh, they're so big. Okay, Sydney, because they're very, very fat. Okay, well, I'm gonna do my lips. So for lips, I'm gonna go with this e.l.f. In Praline. It's like a lip stick. And then we're gonna go with this Victoria's Secret gloss and the NARS stripped. So we're gonna first outline with the e.l.f. And then we're gonna paint the NARS lip gloss in the middle, just dab it. So we have this like gradient lip going on. So lip gloss. Okay, now that the makeup look is done, I'm gonna do my hair. Okay, so I just curled my hair and I look a lot better. But the fun part is coming up. So you can't be an ABG without tattoos. And so I've always wanted to see how I looked with a sleeve. So I have all these designs. I have this floral one, this angel with skulls and like flowers. I kind of want one that's all black, so these are my choices. This one, it says, what does it say? Only time will tell. And then like it has like this lady. Okay, so there's that. That's choice one. Oh, okay, so these two are the only ones that are all black. So this one is a lady with a lot of skulls and roses. I'm gonna go with this one actually. Not sure. Babe, which one do you like? This one or this one? For me.
Down.
This one?
Yeah.
Only time will tell? Okay, well, you're gonna help me put this on. It wraps around. Okay. That's the move. Oh my god.
Yeah.
Okay, so it's supposed to stick. Okay, so it looks kind of cool. Whatever. Well, okay, so see if I can cut like a rose out and like just put it right here. No, I feel like that's too much work. Okay, next. Wow, I'm so excited. Okay, so I also have, what else do I have? I have fake nails to put on. I have nose rings to put on. And then I also have these fake hoops I have to put on. Let's do this because this video is like fucking an hour already. So let's start off with this nose ring. I basically just bought everything off Amazon, guys. Here it is. I don't know if you guys can see this, but I'm gonna just shove it up my nose. Should I do this side or this side? I think I'll do this side. So let's hook it up. Oop. Great. Okay, next. Let's go with the earrings. So I actually don't have piercings. That's why I had to get like fake hoops, you know? So I have these ones or these ones. I don't want to go too big, you know, but see. So you literally just open this clasp and then put on your ear. It's that simple. Yeah, no, not the big ones. I think the smaller ones will look just fine. So I am actually very disappointed with this color because on the description and the picture it said it was nude. This is not nude, guys. This is far from nude. Look at this. Nude. What? I got scammed, but whatever. I'm gonna stick to my... Okay, so just gonna put this on. Hold it on, but it's not staying on. Look at this. So since the nails are not sticking on, don't buy this brand, y'all. It's a scam. I just went online and I searched it and it's this brand. It's the YTJ nail brand. Don't get it, guys. It's a ripoff. But this is the final look. Let me put on a push-up bra and change and then come back. Okay, I have changed and I finally got my nails to get on, but this one got lost during putting on my clothes. So I take back everything I said about the nails. They sent me these really good glue, so it's on. But this is the final look. This is the final look. Got my tats. Ooh, I'm gonna get this for real. And then my earrings, my nose ring. And then I wish my lashes were more fat. But nose ring, nails, my eyes. This is the final look. Let me know in the comments below if I look like an ABG, if I can pass as an ABG, if the transformation was crazy, because I have not seen myself in makeup in a while. But my camera is dying, so let me know if you enjoyed this video. I had so much fun making it. If you want me to try something else, be something else, let me know. Also, if you are new here, please make sure to give my video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Bye. Love you.